Hi everyone, this is Miss T at ms.t is blessed. Welcome to my channel. My channel is about DIYs, hauls, vlogs, and lifestyle. Thank you so much for clicking on my channel. As I said, my name is Miss T and the channel is Miss T is blessed. Today I'm going to share with you one of my Dollar Tree hauls. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. So the first things that I bought at Dollar Tree were some of the holiday items that I saw that run out pretty quickly. This is the Christmas tree. So they come in white and green, and the green were already gone. And so I just bought a couple white ones. They're not that big, but it's cute for like centerpieces. And what I usually do once I open them up, I'll just add pieces to the center just to make it more full. So it's, as you see, you can just shape it. It won't take but a couple of minutes or so. So this one looks a little fuller than they usually look. You can add decorations to it. You can put some lights on it. So you just take your time and you just shape it the way that you like it. And like I said, you can always add more to it. You can bend that piece down. But I usually keep it up and just add more pieces. So the more you pull it out, the fuller it'll appear. So I bought 2 of those. And like I said, they were out of the green already. And I also found these pretty solar stake lights. So I bought a few of these for my grandkids to put on their lawn. They're so cute. Next I found these LED wire lights. And these lights are candy cane shaped. I don't know if you can see it. Let me take it out the box for you. These came from the Dollar Tree. And the other lights are, they didn't come from Dollar Tree. Let's stick to Dollar Tree. So I found these ornaments, and you get 12 pieces. So I got the stockings and the trees. So you can pretty much make whatever you want to make. You can add it to centerpieces. You can put it on your tree. You can string them on your mantle. And I think they also had snowman. Oh, I got it. Snowman. So I got all 3. And like I said, it's 12 pieces in the pack. So that's the Christmas tree, the snowman, the Christmas tree, and the stocking. Let me see what else did I get. And I always pick up these little small desk lamps when I see them. They're really small, but they have a really bright light on. Okay, now wait a minute. Let me check the other one. Oh, you know what? I didn't put the batteries in it. It takes 2 AA batteries. I think I have one around here somewhere. But it's really bright. Let me see. I think I have one over here. Here we go. See how bright it is? I'm not going to put it up to the camera. Put it away from it. But it's pretty bright. And once again, I always pick those up. Sometimes I give them to the kids. They're good for reading or doing your fingernails, things like that. So I also picked up this vinyl paper, and I picked it up in black. And I bought this to do one of my DIYs. So it's a real shiny, glossy paper. People use this with their Cricut machines, but you can use it for whatever you want. So I'm going to use it for decorations on the vase. Let me see what else. I got these candy cane forms. So I'm going to decorate these for the holidays. And I also have some picks to do a centerpiece. So I didn't get a lot of fall stuff this year. I just didn't. But I did see these picks, and I'm going to share them with you when I do my face. So they are pretty fall colors. And again, they came from Dollar Tree. So I got other things like tissue and soaps and alcohol. Things that I usually buy when I go to Dollar Tree, and batteries. I bought some hand sanitizers. I always get these. So I put them in my pocketbook, put them in a car, give them to the kids. Put them in book bags. But my favorite items that I got from Dollar Tree were these reindeers. Oh my goodness. I know you can see them with the tag. Aren't they gorgeous? So they're not real heavy. And at the very top, it looks like you can see a little bit of the glue where they put the top on it. So I'm gonna probably put some diamond wrap or maybe some ribbon. And I have some little bells I'm gonna put around the neck of it. So I bought 1, 2, I don't want to break them, 3. So I bought 3 of these. And that was my absolute favorite find at Dollar Tree this season. So this is it for my Dollar Tree haul. Tomorrow I'll come back with my Hobby Lobby haul because they have a 50% off sale. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you saw something that you like or are interested in. And once again, this is Miss T at ms.t is blessed. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, today is a present. Enjoy your gift and live your best life. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.